I've been using Lamboozled with small groups of students in my media literacy EFL class, and it's become one of my favorite ways to wrap up a particular module I have. I actually own several decks for use with bigger classes because ideally this is best for small groups. What I like most is how the game gets students to think and talk about media concepts in a way that feels playful rather than forced. They're comparing cards, justifying choices, and having real conversations in English, not just doing passive listening or worksheet work. The game opens up opportunities for discussion and reflection about bias, persuasion, source credibility, and other topics we've studied in a low pressure group setting. I won't break down how to play here because the mechanics are straightforward. Even my non native English speaking students catch on quickly and start engaging right away. I also appreciate that each round can be short or long depending on time, which makes it easy to fit into different class periods. Lamboozled has become a reliable tool in my teaching toolkit. My students get generally animated about it, and I've seen how it's able to help them apply media literacy language and thinking in authentic interactions. This is an award winning product for good reason. Recommend.